How to cancel your order on Depop. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step method on how you can easily cancel your order on Depop. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So first thing you need to do is to log into your Depop account, visit the Depop's website or open the Depop app on your mobile device and log into your account using your username and password. Then you'll have to access your profile, and once you're logged in, you have to navigate your way to your profile. You can typically find it by tapping on the profile picture or the username. Then you have to go to purchase or orders. So you can just look out for the option purchase or orders, and that's where you can find all of your you can view all of your recent purchases and sales. Then you'll have to find the order that you want to cancel. Just scroll through your list and find the order that you want to cancel. And after that, you'll just have to initiate the cancellation, and once you've found the order, there should be an option to cancel it. This option may be labeled differently depending on the platform, but it's usually something like cancel order or request cancellation. Then you'll have to provide a reason. If it has prompted you to provide a reason, you can just choose the appropriate reason for the provided option and enter a brief explanation of it if required. So after you have selected the reason, you can just provide any necessary information and confirm the cancellation request. You may need to confirm one more time to ensure that you want to proceed with the cancellation. And after doing that, you just have to wait for your confirmation. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the cancellation request has been received and is being processed. Then, if you've already made a payment of the order, you can check if you have received a refund. Refunds typically take a few days to process and may vary depending on a payment method and the platform's policies. So that's it for this video, guys. That's how you easily cancel an order from Depop. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.